Hello guys, it's been a long time I haven't made a video about the unboxing and stuff about. So this is my first time. So we're unboxing the new iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is the smallest. I bought it from Dubai, and, maybe I think they put some tapes. I don't know why, and maybe there's some dirt and stuff. Maybe they didn't seal it properly. So let's go ahead and box this bad boy. Maybe it's a lot tougher than I thought. If you guys want to see more unboxing videos like this, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure please subscribe to my channel. Right now we're at 128 subscribers already. Alright, that's a lot of progress. I'm gonna do it. Okay. Maybe sometimes the battery is low, what? That's why. Maybe you're gonna do on the other side. Maybe there's some problems. I don't know. Possibly wrong. Doesn't do with scissors. So many phones. It's okay about that. No worries, no worries. So right. Why the hell is not aligned properly? Right, so it didn't align properly. But it's okay. It doesn't matter. So let's unbox. Um there's a tape here somehow. There wasn't even Apple logo. There is Apple logo. Garbage off. Yep. Yeah. I don't know how to do that. I know there's a SIM inside. I put it a year ago. I don't know how the hell I unbox this. Instead of the scissors, we're gonna do manually with my hands. Snap. Oh, snap. Okay, I do. Okay. Doing good, doing good. This this looks like it. There wasn't even Apple logo, and there's an Apple logo. And these cameras looks absolutely the same. Look, there's no Apple logo here in the middle, but there is an Apple logo, as you can see it. Let's go ahead and box this thing. Okay, pretty well. Nice phone, I believe it. And there's an Apple logo hidden back. Let's see what's next. Here's a standard USB cable, micro USB cable, and Here's an AC adapter. At least it's called power adapter. Here's a mobile menu manual. Okay. Let's take off the stickers, whatever they're called. It is made in China. Let's close this and set it aside for a bit. Okay. Look at this new phone. It's clean. There's scuff. Nice pixels of the camera. Of course. Let's power this up. First, let's put some covers. There's the SIM card side, as you can see. Let's check it again. Everything's fine. Okay, again, it says this side is the volume, power, SIM, and USB. Interesting. Let's put the cover. Let's put the cover in this bad boy. I think we should got a charger sometimes, but it doesn't matter. But let's power this up. An Apple logo. Captured every bit of it. You guys mind knowing, like, the Tech Racks were doing it? That was the Tech Racks video I've seen doing that, but I just right. It's powered up, and I didn't set the. I just maybe already set the wallpaper. They already set the wallpaper, like, yeah, I guess. So yeah, I signed it already in one go. Look at this. This is a nice condition, and even a camera. Come on. Oh, there we go. I did say that it's decent quality here somehow. Let's take like pictures, something. I don't know. Let's check it. So, this is a new camera I got, I'm thinking. There is some GPS location info. Yeah, I know. Let's switch the camera to the other side. Huh. Pretty decent quality here somehow. Except this is the like a best quality I've got. So this is where I'm recording this phone. Oops. Let's try and record. Let's take a photo of it. So what? Oh, it didn't work. Well, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's check it. Huh. I'd say that it's decent quality here somehow with this phone. Maybe you guys thinking there's something here. No worry, don't worry. Let's do a recording video of it. Video test. Hey guys, I'm recording in new iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the good or less quality I've had. So this is the newest quality. Right, bye. Right, let's check the video. How was it? There's a volume side. Do not play with this. Okay. Check. Hey guys, I'm recording in new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Huh. Good quality. So that wraps it up, guys. I hope you like this video. Let's pack it because my phone battery is low and charge it up. I hope you like this video. Let's pack it up, everything. You might guys think I'm putting on the wrong side. What? So that wraps it up, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Bye.